I think the people need some book recommendations. So what do you got?
Okay.
What do you
Before
got?
I get into the book recommendations, I'm branching out.
You can talk about the tea? I knew you were going to talk about the tea.
Okay.
If you're on YouTube right now, this is where you...
Don't forget that the nephew, G2, he needs some subs.
Some subs.
He's looking for subs on YouTube. He's lonely and looking for subs on YouTube. And so if you were to be on YouTube and subscribe, you would see what I'm holding in my hand here. And I learned this from another YouTuber, a jacked fellow.
Okay.
Who's a keto master. So keto type of diet.
Are you on the keto train?
I'm trying to get there because I'm so far away from 32s these days. It's not even fun. I think one of my legs now is the size 32. So anyway, this is when he's in a fast. This is what he drinks, and I'm gonna give you the exact order.
Okay.
You can take this to Starbucks. This is a Trente, which is the TR.
Yeah.
Right. The largest, bigger than the Venti. So what you do is you order an iced black tea, half green tea.
Okay.
So it's half black iced tea, half green tea. No liquid cane sugar. If you do not know, most of the drinks that are prepared at Starbucks, they pump in liquid cane sugar. You don't want the sugar. So you say no liquid cane sugar. Light ice.
Yep.
Or else they'll fill it with too much ice. No water.
No water.
Okay, so we're going to repeat that. Trente, black iced tea, half green tea, no liquid cane sugar, light ice, no water.
If you're on YouTube, if you're watching on YouTube right now, we will have given you this recipe, okay?
Right there. So that's the first recommendation that I'm going to give you.
They put water in. I can't believe they put water in a drink.
Yeah, they put water in tea. They cut it 50% by water.
Crazy.
So you don't want the water in there.
Okay.
All right, from a book recommendation.
Hold on, but for the record though, it is we are recording this at 1:58. DC ordered this at 10:19, so it's an all day. It is an all day drink.
Yeah, I had to run to a meeting, so it's been on my desk. And the good thing is because it has light ice
and no water.
It's not very watered down.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.